What is this? This has never happened before. I'm scared. Please. Please make it for the both of us. Mother, I promise I'll do this. I'll make it out. I'll remember you. Goodbye, darling. I love you. Goodbye, Mom. I'll remember you always. This just in, if you look right here in California, California is no more, ladies and gentlemen. It has been flooded, and you know what? It rained there. It doesn't rain in California. I'm afraid this is a sign for the end of the rest of us. Rain in California, I'm afraid. California is no more. Back to you, Johnny. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. It might be a bit brief, but it's something I always think about when it's raining and California gets really dramatic, is I think about how it rains pretty much everywhere else and no one cares. And here, if it rains, roads are blocked off and there's flooding and mudslides, and everyone treats it like it's some crazy national natural disaster, even though it's very normal. I'm actually quite soaked. I went outside and I was walking in the rain when everything was blowing and raining everywhere, and I was just gonna walk in the rain because that's what I like to do, and this old couple comes out of the house and stares at me with so much concern, like, oh my gosh, she's gonna die. And I was just kind of like, it's awkward, so I walked back home, and my jeans are soaked, and I had to leave my shoes outside because they're soaked. When it rains here, it usually like rains, it doesn't just drizzle. So yeah, I need to change all my clothes before I go to something I have to go to tonight. So thank you for watching again, and see you all later. Bye!